Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Here we are guys. Just wanted to do a quick kind of like update video off of the that Street Tech video I just did. It's going to be a quick video right here. Just want to go over a few other quick items on this phone right here. And this phone, boom. Oh, you see, it takes, it really, oh, there it is. Man, this Face ID is something else. It's really incredible. Let me lower the brightness here to kind of give it in the settings that we have a little bit more exposure there. So there you can see, guys, this is the Oppo Find X or the Find 10. This phone is really awesome, guys. I've just been playing around with it for just like an hour or so, hour and a half or so. This is my initial reviews of this phone. Initial review right here. You can see it right there. Let's go to About Phone right here so we can see what we're talking about here. That's right, Android version 8.1. It's a 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage version here. And this is running the Snapdragon 845, and it's got the Adreno, I think 615, I want to say, but like it's the latest Adreno of this phone. And overall, guys, I think the specs of this phone are pretty standard. They're pretty standard overall. The most amazing part about this phone has got to be the screen right here. It's got to be the screen. This screen is incredible, and you want to look it up real close there. Have a look there real close. There's a full like 1080p screen there, and it looks amazing. And you know what? Like this idea that I think Oppo and Vivo have done the right choice here. They've elected for not 4K screens. 4K screens really are they're kind of just like overhyped at this point. I think if you realize it now, you can get 1080p and you can have an amazing screen. And I think that spec jump versus like the Pixel 2 XL, these other phones, the Samsung S9 that have like quad HD displays, that is a negligible. That's like almost like a non-issue at this point. This is not something that you're going to even care about at this point. Look at this screen. Look at this screen, guys. It is unbelievable. And every single like display, every single app that you have running here, let's kind of make it a little bit brighter there. Every single app looks unbelievable. Calendar, full screen display. Voice assistant, full screen display. Music, full screen display. Settings, like absolutely full screen display. Like it's amazing. And I've enabled full screen display here on the YouTube Studio app, on the regular YouTube app. I have not. Let's go ahead and do this real quick while I have you guys here on the channel here. So let me just come back real quick and put in the password here of this phone. So let's continue this video right here. I've just added just included the Wi-Fi there on this network. You guys can see right here how quick this phone is for loading. Let me close all the apps here and let me just show you guys. It's a little bit bright there. Let's show you guys. I don't know what's going on with the screen there with that little bit of kind of banding there, but let me show you guys how this opens apps right here real quick. This is opening apps real quick. You saw it there, you know, it's it's pretty much immediate. Like that's what you would expect from the 845 processor. You wouldn't expect anything better. And you know, in terms of audio, let's play some audio real quick and let's see how it sounds. Let's go here to. Okay, now we found a song for the Oppo Find X right here. Let's listen to it. Let's go to 100% right here. You can hear right there. It's all coming down from this bottom firing speaker right there, guys. So overall, the speaker on this phone is pretty damn slamming. It's pretty damn good. It's pretty awesome. But you know, it does suffer the same kind of issues of the Xiaomi Mi 8 right here. And you know, so like the last thing I want to kind of show up here is this camera. This camera, look at this, guys. It is pretty awesome the way it is able to capture. And then once you put it in, it just closes up. Like, you know what? I don't know how many actuations this is gonna. What's up, guys? Right there. Let's kind of put like a side view there. So the shutter speed is actually kind of slow there, a little bit slow. Like I'm wondering if that's just like something in software that it needs to do. And there's recording on the camera right there. I mean, I think honestly overall, guys, I'm gonna have to give this a better camera test than just what I'm doing right now. But the camera is pretty quick. It takes photos pretty quickly. Let's kind of just throw a subject in there. Let's throw my my little buddy there, Mr. BB-8 here, and let's kind of put it at the normal photo settings here. Let's see how it does there. So there you go. Okay, so it might have been on the wrong settings earlier. And overall, let's have a look at these photos right here. I mean, overall, I mean, this camera, like from my earlier test, did pretty well, and it looks really nice. And you know, I'm definitely gonna have to give it more tests. This is in pretty low lighting here. This is like just like with the top lighting here in the room. So overall, guys, I think it's doing a pretty good job. And you know, I think the coolest part about it is just that it is that whole feature of it coming out. So, and let's kind of give a real close up there of what it looks like when that goes in and out there. There you go. And you heard it there. It comes in and out. Let's do that one last time there. It's almost like a camera. It's almost like a, it reminds me of like the lens, you know, like the lens zoom of a camera, guys. And it's kind of interesting. You know, we have this in a phone now. It's 2018 and we have mechanical parts in a phone. Is this phone going to stand the test of time? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I think it won't. But is it a novelty? Is it something really exciting? And is this full screen display amazing for 2018? I think it's absolutely amazing. I love the fact that this is a full screen display. It looks unbelievable, and I just can't express to you until you have one of these in your hand how futuristic, how amazing this feels. So I'll be doing future tests. I'll be doing continual tests of this phone for both camera, for both battery life, for both performance, all the stuff that I've done for all my other phones, guys. I can't wait to share kind of my findings with you of this, the Oppo Find X right here. And stay tuned to my channel right here, guys. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up there. And if you love the video and the content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel there. I appreciate all the support. Stay tuned, guys. The giveaway is coming tomorrow. Someone's going to win that Redmi 6 tomorrow night. So I can't wait to do that live and share my experience with you guys doing that kind of live, my first of Frankie Tech live giveaway on this channel. So stay tuned. Come and find me on on the channel there, guys, at 8:30, 8:45 p.m. Hong Kong Standard Time, 6:15 India Standard Time. I will be there earlier, and I will announce the draw at exactly 9 o'clock or 6:30 p.m. in India Standard Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Look forward to seeing you there. But that's all I have to say now, and I guess this is where I say this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good day.